I want to talk a little bit about the goal of Gestalt therapy. Typically, people come into therapy because they want change. And of course, that's their right, and that's important. The therapy, though, from a Gestalt perspective, we are not particularly in the business of change. We are in the business of choice. And so the goal of Gestalt therapy at the fundamental level is the restoration of choice, the restoration that the person has full access to what they take in from the world, and they have full access to their resources, and they are aware of both and therefore choiceful in responding to the world. If, when they know another response, they have difficulty with that response, with implementing that response, then the work would shift to what's that difficulty? What gets in the way of doing something different when what you are doing doesn't work very well for you? In Gestalt therapy, our goal is choice. Choice through awareness. The business of therapy is choice and the restoration of that full choice. The client's business is about whether they change or not. The changing is up to the client. Helping them to provide a choice is up to the therapy.